Hello everyone, myself Vijay Lakda, Assistant Professor, Management Department, Sant Haridas College of Higher Education. My today's topic is email marketing, meaning, benefits, and types of email marketing. Let us start with the introduction. In the world of digitization, first we need to understand the widely used concept of email marketing. Email marketing is used to promote your business through email, where you can approach thousands of customers with a single click. You can use different ways to send emails. Email marketing is the best and effective way of communication. It also allows you to monitor the result of your email campaigns on the real time basis. Senders and receivers can communicate directly with each other. Now, the importance of email in the modern business communication is undeniable. Every day, millions of emails are sent and received across the world because they are instant and cheap. Keep records are distance independent. There is no limit to use. You can send one email to multiple people's, automates mails and whatnot. Have you ever wondered who is the genius came up with the idea of email and made it reality? On global level, the first mail was sent by computer engineer Ray Tomlinson in 1971. The email was simply a text message to himself. The email was sent from one computer to another computer sitting right beside in the Cambridge. But it traveled via ARPANET, a network of computers that was precursor to the internet. In India, V.A. Shiva Ayadurai, hailing from a Tamil family in Mumbai, is recognized to have invented the email at the tender age of 14 in 1978. Now, the meaning. Email marketing is the act of sending a commercial message, typically to a group of people, using email in its broadest sense. Every email sent to a potential or current customer could be considerably email marketing. Email marketing is a way to promote product or services through email. Email marketing is the top digital media channel and it is important for customers acquisition and retention. Now, benefits of email marketing. First is global reach. A website allows you to find new market and trade globally for only a small investment. Next is traceable measurable result. Web analytics and other online metric tools make it easier to establish how effective your campaign has been. You can obtain detailed information about how customers use your websites or respond to your advertising. Next is personalization. If your customer database is linked to your website, then whenever someone visits the site, you can greet them with the targeted offer. The more they buy from you, the more you can refine your customer profile and market effectively to them. Next is lower cost. A proper planned and effective targeted e-marketing campaign can reach the right customer at much lower cost than traditional marketing methods. Next is openness. By having a social media presence and managing it carefully, you can build customer loyalty and create a reputation for being easy to engage with. Improve conversion rate. If you have a website, then your customer are only ever a few click away from completing a purchase. Unlikely other media which require people to get up and make a phone call and go to a shop, e-marketing can be seamless and immediate. Now, what are the types of email marketing? First is welcome emails. Welcome emails are extremely important because they can help and make a positive first impression on your audience. These are the first email subscriber receive from your business once they sign up for your email list. You want to make you want to market your business in a positive light, and your welcome email should be memorable and worth regarding. Welcome mails allow you to make your branding clear and help subscribers become more familiar with your brands. Customer wants to feel important to your business. Welcome mails can also show your subscribers how you value them. Next is educational emails. Educational emails are a great way to market your brands. These emails help your audience learn about your business. They are a great they are a great type of email to send to help your audience obtain basic information about your business. Some subscribers may be familiar with your brands, but they may not a lot of knowledge about it. Educational emails are an opportunity for you to market your brand and your business to your subscriber. Next is special offer uh, and promotional emails. Special offer or promotional emails are one of the most effective forms of email marketing. These are the emails that get your audience to act. People love receiving emails about sales, discounts, and other bargains. These emails are a great opportunity for you to engage your audience and get them interested in your product. You can send the special perks emails that benefit only them because they are a subscriber. This makes your audience feel more appreciated for being a subscriber. Review emails. Review are an important for any business. They help new customer decide if they want to purchase from your business. When email subscriber buy products from your business, it is a great opportunity to invite them to review your product by sending review emails. You will keep your audience engaged with your brand. It will help you get honest experience with your product, which can encourage more people to purchase your product. Next is time sensitive emails. Time sensitive emails are a great way to market your business and product to subscribers to get them to convert. These emails are very powerful because they entice subscriber to take advantage of a limited time promotion. It creates a sense of urgency that subscribers need to act now. These emails are a great opportunity for you to market certain products. You can pick products that you know your subscriber like, and the time sensitive emails help you compel them to make a purchase before time runs out. When sales only happens for a limited time period, people are more enthused to participate. They don't want to miss out on the deal for products they like. These emails are a great way to boost engagement and conversion for your business. The last topic is types of campaign associated with email marketing. First is acquisition campaign. It creates awareness and desire amongst a target market unfamiliar with your offerings. And the next is retention campaign, for keeping in touch with existing customers or qualified prospects. This is all about email marketing. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone.